Before we begin this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please watch the video till the end. Thank you. Hello decoders, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we are going to see how to install PostgreSQL on Windows 10. So once we click on this, you'll see there are multiple links, but go on the official link of PostgreSQL. So once you come to this page, please download the installer, and you'll see there are multiple distribution because since PostgreSQL it is the cross-platform. So it shows you sorry. In the path section, I'll just double click on it, click on new, and then I'll click here. Okay, so one more thing I'd like to add in the path section will be till the lib folder. I'll copy this and then I'll paste it here. Okay, and then I have to click on OK. So this is done. Okay, so you can open your command prompt, which is cmd, which is default set as Postgres, which you can see it here. And then if I enter, you'll see it will ask me for the password. Okay, and then it will open your Postgres terminal. Okay, so that's it for the installation procedure and how to open your Postgres on Windows 10 and how to give your commands to make your project run. So if you have any suggestion or any complaints, please comment in the comment section below. If you want to make further videos like this, please suggest me on the described email ID. Thank you so much.